What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna be cleaning my depression ass room. Basically, it's not that dirty, but it's dirty. Um, I've been going through, I've been going through it. It's not really, yeah, it's not really dirty. But like, if you know me, I keep my room clean. Like, I can't have no dirty room. I keep my room clean. But since I've been going through depression and stuff like that, I just been picking up things and just throwing on the dresser and stuff like that. Let me show y'all real quick. I'm gonna show y'all. Like, this stuff's supposed to be right here. And then let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Come right here. Come right here. Look at, look at this. And like my bed. I'm sorry, I'm using my tripod, but my bed is never like this. Like, it's never like this. It's always fixed, and I can't deal with it no more. Okay, I can't. So yeah, I've been going through it. But I'm finna clean my room because I want to go to sleep with my room clean. I don't have to worry about none of that in the morning. And yeah, I even got shoes on the floor. My shoes not even supposed to be right here. They're really supposed to be either by the door or like back there somewhere. It's really, I've been really going through it. Look at that. I got a whole comb right there I was looking for. That's crazy. But yeah, let's get to cleaning. And I wish y'all was here to help me, because I don't like cleaning my room, but I just keep it clean because I can't have a dirty room. Wait, I don't even think I want to clean my room. Can I do it tomorrow? I don't know. I just want to go take a shower and then come lay down. I really do. Like, all jokes aside, I really want to go take a shower and come lay down. I don't even want to. Let's just get it over with. Forget it. Okay, guys, so basically I just cleaned off that part, as y'all could see, but now I have to go wash my clothes. So come with me, wash my clothes. Let's do that. Let's get it over with. Okay, y'all, so now that my clothes is washing, it makes me feel so good. But I'm finna to attack this dresser, and then I have my bed to fix, and I have to clean out my hair products box, but I've been having to clean that. I really do not feel like cleaning it, at least not right now, because I've been kind of sick, but I'm getting over it. I really do not feel like cleaning my hair box, cause let me show y'all what I did. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, I put, if y'all can see, wait. I hate when this thing gets stuck. Okay. As y'all can see, let me show y'all what I did. I put a towel. Can you see it? Wait. I put a towel on the hair box to remind me that I needed to clean my hair box, and I still never did it. So like, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. That's what I'm gonna do. I was bored today. That's what I could have been doing. Okay, don't mind me. Let's attack my dresser because that needs to get done. So yeah. Well, I'm so happy that I'm finished cleaning my room, because like it been like this for like a week probably, or 2 weeks, and I never cleaned my room after that. But yeah. Oh, I was supposed to put something in my dresser. Let me get that right now. I was supposed to put this in here. Don't worry, these are my little cousins. Yeah, this picture right here is my little cousin, and this one. So, and oh, these are for my friend. I'm giving that to her because they've been there for like a month now. This is for my little cousin. This is gonna stay right there. But yeah. Okay, so guys, I'm done cleaning my room or whatever, and it feels so good because and I go with the coughing again. It feels so good to have your room clean. All I have to do is wash my clothes because it's still washing. And I actually did this fast, but my room was not that dirty. It was just like a little messy because I would just pick up stuff and just put it on my dresser. And my bed, I just wouldn't clean it. I just wouldn't fix it. Like, I was just living, honestly, through depression. But I'm getting around. I'm gonna be good, y'all. I'm always good. I help myself. I don't think nobody else helped me. I try and go to people, for my depression, but man, can't nobody help me get through that. I don't even know why I go through people. I don't even know why I go to people. But if you're going through depression, talk to somebody first. Make sure you talk to somebody first. Because oh my god. Because I talk to people when I go through depression, I'm not gonna lie. I talk to people, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I just have to cope with it. But yeah, I get over it by like the next morning, honestly. So if you're going through depression, just talk to somebody, honestly. And yeah, that's about it, because I done seen a lot of people that goes through depression and their room be sick. Like their room be disgusting, but mine was not that bad. Yeah, so I hope that y'all enjoyed watching me clean up my room. I just needed something to post because I don't want to just disappear. Anyways, I hope that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope that y'all enjoy my videos. So bye, y'all.